zebra does not ask a horada, how come you don't have stripes? Nature made him with stripes. It did not make a horada with stripes. But they're both equitable. See, we have to begin to understand what it is to be different. Not better, not worse, not superior, not inferior, because you're not inferior to anyone. We just happen to play a unique role, a role that I will explain right now. A bird or plant, you go to get what mineral? You see? Iron. Sure. Meaning that the predominant mineral is iron. But then we go to the dandelion. Or just take the shade grass. Shade grass. What you go to that for? Calcium. It's coded to ingest calcium. So the black race is coded the same way like the plants. Look at the eagle. It eats meat, not the quetzal. Doesn't eat meat. It eats seeds because it's coded. The flower of the burdock is what? Red, purple, and white. But that of the dandelion is what? You see? But which one is better? They both serve their purpose. So what is this thing about, I have to measure up to a white man? Man, I've got to measure up to nature. Right. I'm better. Because right now, we happen to have the ingredient that would maintain harmony and peace on the planet. The black race. Why? Because we hear that the Japanese have the best cars, right? They make the best cars and the best camera. Well, what do we make? We make the best medicine in the world. The black race again. You see? When we thought that we had nothing to offer, we have the best medicine. We cure AIDS. So who does the world have to depend on now to cure the diseases? The black race.